You can teach your child blending in 5 simple steps. These are the steps. If your child is very young, start with blending 2 syllable words like this: butterfly.
Butterfly.
If your child is unable to bring them together, do it for them. Butterfly, butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Practice more words like this with the child. Once the child is comfortably doing this, the next step is to change the words to sounds. A, t.
And t.
If the child is unable to do it, then do it for them. A, t, at.
And t. And
Till your child is able to comfortably do it. This is how you will do it. A, t.
and t. And
Now, when your child is comfortably doing 2 letter blending orally, increase one more sound. And that's the third step. K, a, t.
k. And t.
If your child is unable to blend k, a, t or 3 letter words together, do it for them. K, a, t. Cat.
K. And t. Cat.
Keep repeating this with multiple words till they are able to do something like this. K, a, t.
K. And t. Cat.
Very good. The next step is to do 2 letter blending while showing the letters to the child and see if your child is able to do it.
And t. And t.
If your child is unable to do it for them.
And t.
At.
And
Very good. Do it for the child till they are comfortably doing this. Increase one more sound at the beginning and see if your child is able to do it.
k. And t.
If your child is unable to do it for them.
K. And t.
K, at.
Cat.
Very good. Because your child knows oral blending, they should be able to say k, at. K, at.
K. And t. Cat.
Very good. Keep practicing each of these steps. Can take a few weeks to a month or 2 months. But if you persisted with this, at max in 2 to 3 months, even your toddler as young as 2 years old can learn